is out. We have Gypsy Gray beginning nicely at the start, and on the outside, Super Doc, Conquista Royal, and Paminsan-Minsan. Passing before the judge stand, we have the favorite, super mega outstanding favorite, Gypsy Gray by about 5 lengths. Conquista Royal in second, and in third, Paminsan-Minsan, and Super Dog still racing in last. As they swing down the back, Gypsy Gray by about 5 lengths. Conquista Royal still in second, 7 lengths away in third, Paminsan-Minsan. 7 lengths still in fourth is Super Dog. Gypsy Gray this time by about 4 lengths. Conquista Royal still in second, Paminsan-Minsan still in third, and Super Dog is still in fourth. Inside the tres octavo, we have Gypsy Gray now by about 6 lengths. Conquista Royal remains in second. Coming closer now in third is Paminsan-Minsan, Super Dog. Gypsy Gray now by about 7 lengths. Conquista Royal still in second. Moving up on the outside is Paminsan-Minsan, Super Dog as they come down at the last 200. While the rider, Pat Dilemma, is still in the hands and heels by about 10 lengths this time. Conquista Royal still in second, Paminsan-Minsan, and finally it's Gypsy Gray. Second, Conquista Royal, Paminsan-Minsan, and Super Dog.
Gypsy Gray posting his 4th straight victory under the hands of Patty Dilemma. Pero yung isa kay Edie Villahermosa, isa kay JB Hernandez, tapos 2 beses ngayon kay Patty. Sakto. Galing mo. 18.5, 24.5, 24.5, 25.5, 1 minute 33 seconds flat. That's rider Patty Dilemma.